Good morning, one and all. I hope so you are just enjoying the lecture series of physics. So today we are going to discuss here some of the important numericals of chapter 3, and the topic on which this numerical is based. The topic is electric potential energy. So in our previous video we already discussed about that, what is electric potential energy, and also the electric potential energy due to system of charges. So this all three types of numericals are mainly based on system of charge, that means electrical potential energy due to system of charges. So what type of numerical in board examination they are asking, and also in the JEE and NEET examination, especially in NEET examination, this type of questions they are including. So first of all, let's try to understand the basic idea, how can we solve this type of questions. So today's topic, numerical based on electric potential energy, subject is physics, name of the chapter is electric potential, chapter number 3, and standard is 12. So first of all, I am reading question number 1. If you will have any problem, you can just pause it and you can read the question. Question number 1 is, 3 charges are arranged as shown in the figure. So the figure is given here. Positive Q charge is arranged here, 1 point, and second point minus 4Q charge is arranged here, and the last point is plus 2Q charge is arranged here. Calculate their potential energy. So what we have to be calculate? Potential energy we have to be calculate. Let Q, the value of Q is 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and the value of E is 0.1 into 0.1 meter. So as you know that the basic formula of electric potential energy is K Q1 Q2 upon R12. So as we studied in the derivation, electric potential energy due to system of charges, when we are having the one charge, so due to one charge only the work done is 0 because second charge value is 0. But when this charge is bringing the another charge minus 4Q, so between this Q and minus 4Q, the work done is going to be happening. Okay? And then Q and 4Q will be bring the charge plus 2Q. So work done due to Q to 2Q, and work done due to minus 4Q to 2Q is going to be happening. So this derivation we already did. Now we are finding here solution. Total electric potential energy. Total electric potential energy. How can we find out this? U is equals to U12. Let's say this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And then U23, and then U13. So electric potential energy due to charge 1 and 2. Electric potential energy due to charge 2nd and 3rd, electrical potential energy due to charge 1 and 3rd. If you are unable to just apply the concept of derivation and you want to know how many pairs will be formed on the behalf of the diagram, so the formula is the short trick is, you can say that number of pairs. If you want to find out, the formula is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula. Okay, solution is starting from here. This is short trick. Value of n, number of charges, 3 charges are given. So 3 into 3 minus 1 divided by 2. 3 into 2 divided by 2. 2 to 2 cancel. Answer is 3. So how many pairs? 3 pairs of electric potential energy. So total electric potential energy we have to find out. K. So first charge is Q, and the second charge is minus 4Q divided by A, plus second and third charge. So K minus 4Q and plus 2Q divided by K minus 4Q and 2Q divided by. So here what we are going to do, we applied the simple formula of electrical potential energy. In this electrical potential energy, we are finding total electrical potential energy due to system of charges. Now, K is the common here and A is also common here. The value of K is 9 into 10 to the power 9. I have taken common, and the value of A is 0.1. 0.1. Here we got it minus 4q square, and here we got it here positive negative 4 into 2 8q square. Okay, this is very simple. Q into 2q, this is 1 3. Q into 2q, sorry for this. Q into 2q minus this and this. So this is 2q square plus 2q square. Okay. So what we have taken common? K and Q. Minus 4 into Q. Into Q, this is minus 4q square minus 4 into 2 minus 8q square plus 2q square. Now see that this is 9 into 10 to the power 10, and this is 8 and minus 4, it is minus 12q square. 12q square and plus 2q square. So it is 9 into 10 to the power 10 multiply with 10q square, but this is negative. Now the value of q is given that 1 into 10 to the power minus 7. So here minus 9 into 10 to the power 10 into 10 into. So the value of q is 10 to the power minus 7 and power is 2. So minus 10 minus 9 10 to the power 10. So 10 to the power 1. So this is 10 to the power 11. Minus 7 into 2 power is 14. Now see that minus 14 and plus 11. So minus 9 into 10 to the power minus 3. So here we got it electrical potential energy due to 3 charges. So very simple. See, important is in the NEET and particular examination, if you are unable to find out number of pairs, so you will definitely apply the directly n minus 1 upon 2 formula. Number of charges you will look out that, and after that you will got it how many pairs you have to be just put it for electrical potential energy. Now we are proceeding with a short understanding. 3 charges is given, q minus 4q plus 2q. Electrical potential energy K q1 q2 upon r12. Basic formula I use here. For finding the how many pairs we are using here, so we use the formula n minus 1 divided by 2. Value of n is 3 into 3 minus 1 divided by 2. So 3 into 2, 2 cancel. So it is 3. So number of pair 3. Number 1, second and third. So 1, 2 by means charge 1 and second, charge second and third, and charge 1 and third. So first and second. Okay, and distance is a second and third minus 4q and 2q, and third and first, so plus 2q and q. Okay, and then after solving, we have taken k and a as a common here, and after solving we got it here 10q square. Value of q I have put it here. So I got it minus 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule is the answer. Now we are proceeding with the second question. This is important question, and in this particular question you will gain more understanding as compared to this question. This is a basic question. Okay, so question number 2 we are going to be talking here. 4 charges are arranged at the vertices of the square A, B, C, D. How many charges? 4 charges. A plus Q charge, B minus Q charge, and C plus Q charge, and D minus Q charge. Okay, and side is D. So every side is D. So no problem at all. Whatever the question statement is here, we have to use it. This is a square. So this is D. The distance D is available here. Determine the work done arranging this. So we have to find out the work done. So first solution I am going to be doing here. So first of all, I told you we have to find out number of pairs. So in short, we can find out number of pairs Very short and easy formula, n minus 1 divided by 2, and the value of n is, how many charges? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 4 minus 1 divided by 2. So here we got it here, 4 into 3 divided by 2. So how many pairs? We got it here, 6 pairs. We have to form 6 pairs. Now I can just start here, total electric potential energy. Total electrical potential energy, 6 pairs. So let's find out how many pairs, first and second. So here I can write out UEB, okay, and then UBC, and then UCD, and then UDA, electrical potential energy due to D charge and A charge, and then we have to be got it here UAC, and last one is UBD. But now problematic condition, we have to find out this distance is also. We want this distance is also. So as you know that in a square diagonals are equal. So this is your perpendicular, this is your base. This is your perpendicular and this is your base. So you know that by using Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find out the distance of hypotenuse. So first of all, we have to write down here K, Q and minus Q. So minus KQ square upon distance is D. So put it here D. And here BC we have to be just got it here BC. Again it is minus KQ square upon D. And UCD, this is plus Q and minus Q. So again minus KQ square upon D. And here also it is minus KQ square upon D. Now we are going to find out here AC, we are talking about that. AB we got it, BC we got it, CD we got it, and DA we got it. Now AC we have to find out D square plus D square. So I am just doing here, roughly idea you can understand. So how can we find out? This is your diagonal, we have to find out here. The value of these things we have to find out. It is D and it is D. Okay, and you know that every angle in this square is 90 degree. The corner angle is always 90 degree. So you know that formula is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So here it is easy to understand, root of perpendicular square plus base square. So this is D square and this is also D square, and this is 2D square. So root 2D you got it here, value of hypotenuse. So AC means A and C both are positive charge. So positive KQ square upon root 2D. And here you got it also again positive KQ square root 2D. So if you are adding it is, so this is negative 4KQ square upon D. This whole 4 terms, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4KQ square upon D. This is plus 2KQ square upon root 2D. Okay. So this is very simple. Now what is common here? We have to be got it here common. Minus 2 KQ square is a common here. So we got it here common. Not negative, we are going to take only 2 KQ square. So remaining inside is, and D is also common. So divided by D. So remaining common is, it is minus 2. And here it is plus 1 by root 2. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, because here no one value is given about the what Q, and we know that value of the K, and D is given as in terms of D also. So the simple total electrical potential energy we got it here due to the how many pairs? 6 pairs. How can you find out 6 pairs? N minus 1 divided by 2. So value of N is how many charges? 4 charges. Now we are going to be talking about the second question of this point. A charge Q0 is brought to the center E. So what we have to be do? दिस होल चार्जेस बाय मींस ए से जो चार्ज आएगा वो भी कहां पे ले आना है अपने को, ई पे लाना है. फ्रॉम बी द चार्ज विल बी कम टुवर्ड्स टू ई, एंड फ्रॉम सी द चार्ज विल बी कम टुवर्ड्स टू ई, एंड फ्रॉम माइनस क्यू द चार्ज कम टुवर्ड्स टू ई. सो you know total distance is root 2 into d, root 2 into d, half of this. So distance between AE, so distance AE is equals to CE, and also it is equals to BE, and also is equals to DE, but it is half of hypotenuse, half of hypotenuse. So root 2 divided by 2, it is d by root 2, because you know that 2 we have to be just wrote here, root 2 into root 2, one root 2 is cancelled, another root 2 is remaining. So we got it, distance also here. So now we have to find out electrical potential energy to find what more amount of work is going to be done. I means यहाँ पे जो वर्क हो रहा है वो इसकी कंपेयर में कितना ज्यादा हो रहा है. So let's find out here total work done, or you can say that electrical potential energy. So you have to be see here electrical potential energy here. First of all, this is AE, to bring the charge at AE. Electrical potential energy due to BE, and then electrical potential energy due to CE, and electrical potential energy due to DE. So here I am writing here K, so Q into Q naught, but this Q is positive, and distance is d by root 2, BE. Now BE, this is BE, and distance is d by root 2, distance is d by root 2. So here this is minus d by root 2 and plus q into q naught, kq into q naught upon root 2, and minus kq into q naught upon d by root 2 and d by root 2. See that dE minus q and q naught, distance between them is same, d by root 2, because I have written here for the understanding. So this is positive kq q naught upon d by root 2, this is negative kq q naught upon d by root 2, this is positive and this is negative. So this whole term is going to be cancelled, and the work done is 0 joule. The work done is 0 joule. So no more work is to be done when you are bringing a charge from corner to center, corner to center, and corner to center, and corner to center. So hopefully you understood this basic idea. Okay. So in next video we are talking about the most important question, number 3. Good morning one and all. In previous video we talked about here the two numericals which is based on electrical potential energy. Now we are talking about the third numerical. It is also based on electrical potential energy, but it requires good concept and good kind of knowledge on the behalf of the differentiation as well as integration. So let's try to understand this numerical in an easy step. Three charges Q, 2Q and 8Q are to be brought to 9 cm long line. So question statement is, we are bringing a charge at 9 cm line. Okay. Another condition is given in the question, where should these charges be kept so that the potential energy of the system is minimum. See, we want minimum potential energy. So basic formula you have to be keep in the brain, that is K Q1 Q2 upon R12. See, I want minimum potential energy, so I have to increase the distance between two charges. Yes or no? Means I have to be keep higher magnitude charges far from each other. So what we have to be do? We have a two or three kind of charges. Number one is Q. This is very small, so I am not going to be taking the end points 2q and 8q. These are the higher magnitude charges. So I have to be keep this 2q and 8q with the distance between them is 9 cm, by which I will obtain the minimum potential energy. Minimum potential energy, when we are going to talk about, it means the electrical potential energy differentiation is equals to 0. We have to find out du by dx, and which is always equal to 0. Because minimum potential energy is not negative, it is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. I told you in the derivation also, electric field is going to be 0, but electrical potential energy is not going to be 0. It is remain constant in conducting. Okay, in non-conducting it is not constant. So we already understood that 3 by 2 Vs, V is equals to 3 by 2 Vs. That means electrical potential energy inside is equals to 1.5 times of electrical potential energy at the surface. Okay, and that thing we understood in the conducting sphere and non-conducting sphere derivation. So what we have to do? We have to find out minimum electrical potential energy. That means we have to find out u by dx is equal to 0. So we got it the idea. With the help of basic formulas, we have to keep these two charges far from each other. So I have to put this 2q here and 8q is here. Now I want minimum potential energy. Let's say that the q is placed here and the distance between them is, this is x, and the remaining distance is, this is 9 minus x. This is 9 minus x. So this is x and this is 9 minus x. So distance between them, it is x. So total minus this, it is equal to this distance. Now we have to find out total electric potential energy. Total electric potential energy. So U is equals to, now you are confusing how many pairs are, how many charges? 3 charges. So number of pairs, you have formula. Number of pair is equals to n minus 1 divided by 2. So it is 3 and 3 minus 1 divided by 2. So 3 into 2 divided by 2. So how many pairs? 3 pairs. So here electrical potential energy between 2q and q plus electrical potential energy between q and 8q, and here electrical potential energy between 2q and 8q. So very simple, it is not that difficult. So put the value here, k, this is 2 kq square upon distance is x plus q into 8q. So this is 8 kq square divided by the distance between them is 9 minus x, so 9 minus x, and plus it is 8 into 2 16 q into q square, so kq square, and divided by 9 minus x. So now what we have to be just find out, this is electrical potential energy. Now we have to find out du by dx first to find out the minimum potential energy. At which point x I have to find out. So what is the common I have taken here? This is the common part is kq square. When we are doing the integration differentiation of this, so differentiation formula is d by dx x to the power n and x to the power n minus 1. Power is decreases. And integration x to the power n dot dx is equals to x to the power n plus 1 and divided by n plus 1. So in integration, if you want to find out maximum potential energy, you have to do integration. You want to find out the minimum potential energy, you have to do differentiation. Okay, because in differentiation decreasing order, this is the increasing order. So now it is 2 by minus 2 by x square, and this is plus 8 divided by 9 minus x whole square, and it is 0 because it is 9 only, sorry, because it is constant, and constant value differentiation is equal to 0. Okay, and this is 0 because we want minimum potential energy. So minimum potential energy du by dx is equal to 0, because electric potential energy, but electrical potential is always constant, it is not equal to 0 or negative. Okay, so that's what we have to find out, minimum potential energy. So differentiation of potential energy is equal to 0. So this is 0. So kq square and this remaining is minus 2 by x square plus 8 divided by 9 minus x square. So this is 0 divided by something is equal to 0. So 0 is equals to minus 2 by x square, and plus 8 by 9 minus x whole square. So now we have to do the transfer. This term negative becomes positive. 2 by x square, and this is 8 by 9 minus x whole square. It is 4 times. So remaining steps I am doing the right hand side. This is 4x square because you multiply this 4 into x square, and it is equals to 9 minus x whole square. So now what we have to do here? Square root. In this square root it is what? 2x, and this is 9 minus x. So now do the transfer. 2x plus x is equals to 9, and 3x is equals to 9. So x is equals to 9 divided by 3. This is 3. But do the transferable plus minus. It is plus minus. So this is also plus minus plus minus. So the value of x is plus 3. It is not equals to x is equals to minus 3, because negative distance is not available. Understood? You can't say that I travel minus 3 kilometer and all this. So we got it, the value is 3 centimeter. We got it, the value is 3 centimeter. The value of x is 3 centimeter. By means we have to put this small charge from this 2 cube is 3 centimeter, and from 8 cube it is, so 9 minus 3 it is 6 centimeter. It is 6 centimeter. So we got it. Higher magnitude charges are away from the charge because distance is maximum, electrical potential energy is minimum. So hopefully you understood that. Is there any doubt? You can just comment in the comment box. This is very easy. Only just it requires the practice. If you are doing the great practice at home, you can easily able to understand these things in a very easy style. So thank you so much.